Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. The town of Port Maria in St. Mary will have a modern two-story market. Here is a view of the front of the market on Hodgson Street. The new Port Maria market on Hodgson Street, said to be the first of its kind in the island, will accommodate vendors on the ground floor, while the first floor will have shop space for rent. First, let's take a bird's eye view of the market. The road below is Hodgson Street, and to the left of the market is the Claude Stuart Park, which houses the St. Mary Parish Library, and to the rear of the market is the Otram River. To the left below is Market Street. Additionally, to the left corner of the screen, beside the river bank, sits the ruin of an old swinging bridge. The swinging bridge went across the river, connecting Market Street with Main Street, Port Maria. The new market is to replace the old market that had fallen into disrepair. The renovation not only reshaped the physical structure of the facility, but is also consistent with emerging shopping trends. A contract valued at $56 million to upgrade the facility was signed at the office of the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development in April 2018. The building of the new state-of-the-art market began in July 2018, following a groundbreaking ceremony in the same year. Phase 1 of the major rehabilitation of the market will be a two-story facility which includes 55 vendor stalls, a meat market with concrete tables, and stainless countertops. The rehabilitation is part of a $400 million island-wide project by the government to improve markets across the country. The market development program will be the beginning of the end of the practice of vendors selling on the streets, creating challenges relating to order and traffic management. Currently, we are driving north on Stennetts Street in Port Maria towards the market. Currently driving north on Hodgson Street, now making the right onto Market Street. To the left is the rear of the market. On the right, you can see the ruin of the old swinging bridge. Here's a closer look. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.